Want healthier kidneys? Want to feel more energized? You can start improving your kidney health today. Small changes to your morning routine can make a big difference. Your kidneys work hard, filtering waste and toxins from your blood. Give them the support they need to keep you feeling your best. This essay is your guide to simple yet powerful morning routines. Learn how these routines benefit your kidneys. Discover how to boost your energy levels. Start your journey to a healthier you. Throughout this essay, we'll explore easy-to-follow tips. You'll find practical advice to incorporate into your life. Get ready to unlock the power of a kidney-healthy morning routine. The first step to a kidney-healthy morning is simple. Drink water. After hours of sleep, your body needs rehydration. Water flushes out toxins and helps your kidneys function optimally. Aim for a large glass of water upon waking. This jumpstarts your metabolism and kickstarts kidney function. You can add a squeeze of lemon for flavor and a vitamin C boost. Lemon water can also help prevent kidney stones. Make hydration a habit throughout the morning. Keep a water bottle nearby and sip on it regularly. Proper hydration is crucial for overall health, especially for your kidneys. Remember, healthy kidneys equal a healthier you. A nutritious breakfast fuels your body and supports kidney health. Choose foods low in sodium, potassium, and phosphorus. These include berries, oatmeal, and egg whites. Berries are packed with antioxidants which protect your kidneys from damage. Oatmeal provides a slow release of energy, keeping you full and satisfied. Egg whites offer a good source of protein without harming your kidneys. Avoid processed foods, sugary cereals, and excessive salt. These put a strain on your kidneys and can lead to health problems. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods for optimal kidney function. Physical activity is beneficial for your entire body, including your kidneys. Exercise helps control blood pressure, a key factor in kidney health. Even gentle movement gets your blood flowing and supports kidney function. Take a brisk walk, do some yoga, or try light stretching. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Listen to your body and choose activities you enjoy. Exercise not only benefits your kidneys, but also boosts your mood and energy levels. Make physical activity a part of your morning routine and experience the positive impact. Certain herbal teas can promote kidney health and detoxification. Dandelion tea acts as a natural diuretic, helping flush out excess fluids and waste. Ginger tea reduces inflammation and supports healthy digestion. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and may help protect against kidney stones. Drink these teas in moderation throughout the day to support your kidneys naturally. Always consult with your doctor before incorporating new herbal remedies into your diet. They can advise you on the appropriate dosage and potential interactions. Stress can negatively impact your overall health, including your kidneys. Incorporate mindful breathing exercises into your morning routine to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Deep breathing techniques help oxygenate your body and improve circulation. This benefits your kidneys by ensuring they receive a steady flow of oxygen-rich blood. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a few seconds, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this for 5 to 10 minutes each morning. Excessive salt intake puts a strain on your kidneys and can lead to high blood pressure. Be mindful of your salt consumption throughout the day, starting with your morning meal. Avoid processed foods, which are often high in sodium. Cook at home using fresh ingredients and limit added salt. Flavor your food with herbs and spices instead. By reducing your salt intake, you can help lower your blood pressure and protect your kidneys from damage. Make it a habit to read food labels and choose low-sodium options. Incorporating healthy fats into your diet is essential for overall health, including kidney function. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts have anti-inflammatory properties. These healthy fats may help reduce the risk of kidney disease and support healthy blood pressure. Include a source of omega-3s in your breakfast or as a mid-morning snack. Remember, moderation is key. While healthy fats are beneficial, excessive fat intake can put a strain on your kidneys. Choose lean protein sources and incorporate healthy fats in moderation. Early detection is crucial for maintaining kidney health. Schedule regular checkups with your doctor, especially if you have risk factors for kidney disease. These include diabetes, high blood pressure, and family history. Your doctor can monitor your kidney function through blood and urine tests. Don't ignore any unusual symptoms such as changes in urination, fatigue, or swelling. By staying proactive and informed, you can catch potential issues early on and receive timely treatment. Your kidneys are vital organs, so prioritize their health. Improving your kidney health doesn't require drastic measures. By incorporating these simple yet effective routines into your morning, you can make a significant difference. Hydrate, eat a kidney-friendly breakfast, move your body, and manage stress. Remember, consistency is key. Make these routines a part of your daily life and experience the benefits of healthier kidneys and increased energy levels. Start your journey towards optimal kidney health today. Your body will thank you for it.